On August 15, 1947, the world witnessed a historic dawn as India rose to freedom. The tricolour unfurled against the sky, symbolizing the triumph of unity, courage, and unyielding hope. This day honors the visionaries and countless unsung heroes whose sacrifices paved the path to independence. It is a reminder that freedom is not just a gift, it is a responsibility carried by every generation. India's story is one of resilience, innovation, and a vibrant spirit that embraces diversity. From the peaks of the Himalayas to the shores of Kanyakumari, every corner speaks of its rich heritage and boundless potential. Across the globe, the Indian diaspora continues to share this culture, fostering friendship, opportunity, and progress. Let us remember that independence is strengthened when we stand together, beyond borders. At Black Bear Canadian Immigration Services, we join in celebrating this remarkable journey. May the spirit of independence inspire us all to build a brighter future together. Happy Indian Independence Day.